What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on BBIG stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then, guys, finally we have the spin-off date. And we have all the rules that we should know in order to receive the cryptite shares. But we have to be extremely cautious because not so many people know about the T+2 rule that might drastically affect the record date. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when we completed all 5 wave structure in this movement, and I've told you that we have to have some kind of retracement, and this retracement might land at the levels of 0.382, at $2.5 mark, 0.5 at $2.44, and the golden pocket, the range in between $2.36 and $2.38. And these 3 levels should be your accumulation points. And from this range, I've told you that if we'll have enough good news, basically from cryptite spin-off, we might see next huge movement to the upside, and most likely we should hit at least this range that was at roughly, let me show it to you, from the first range we had about 17% of potential profits. But instead of this, we broke it with the flying colors, and the upside potential to its highest point was almost 68%. Definitely huge movement to the upside. But it was made on extended hours, as you can see, and this means it doesn't have enough volume, and this means not so many people even started to add their positions with this asset. That's why we will see huge volatility on upcoming sessions, and definitely we should be very cautious. And we have the spin-off date right here on May 18th, but I have to say that it is a huge but in this statement. And let me show you first of all, their official statement. So, just several hours ago they posted this, and this is the official press release. Vinco Ventures, a digital media and content technologies holding company, today announced that May 18th, 2022 has been set as the record date for the dividend of shares of common stock of cryptite to be distributed to Vinco stockholders in order to effect the separation of Vinco and cryptite into 2 independent publicly traded companies. And definitely for now we have this deadline on May 18th, but we have to keep in mind that we have a T+2 rule. And guys, it is extremely important. If you don't know about this rule, please watch this video just a couple of minutes more. And right here, if you type in Google search bar T+2 rule, you can find this definition. What is the meaning of T+2? For most stock trades, settlement occurs 2 business days after the day the order executes, or T+2, trade date plus 2 days. For example, if you were to execute an order on Monday, you would typically settle on Wednesday. For some products, such as mutual funds, settlement occurs on a different timeline. This means, guys, let me show you that this date, and if I mark it with the vertical line, is not the real record date, because if you want to receive shares of cryptite, you have to own the BBIG stock at least 2 business days prior this date. And May 18th will be a Wednesday. This means we have to move this line 2 days prior on May 16th. This means this is your deadline. And right after this date, when the trades will be finished, we will see a huge sell-off of BBIG, and you have to be prepared for this. This means if you want to enter the position, in my opinion, on upcoming sessions, just wait for the volatility and wait for the retracement. Most likely we might see some huge movements around the levels of $3.5. And if you add your position on lower levels, definitely you should pay attention on May 16th, not on May 18th. But I have to say that the T+2 rule might be different from one broker to another. This means, guys, it is extremely important. You have to call to the support desk of your broker and you should ask, is T+2 rule applicable for the stock ownership? And the support desk of your broker will answer and will give you the exact date where you should own the stock of BBIG in order to be in the record list on record date on May 18th. And this is extremely important. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I don't need this tool right now. And I have to say that from this bottom, we are forming the third wave, because if it is the bottom for the entire structure right here, we have consistently lower lows and lower highs. This means this is the lowest point for this asset. And right here, we had the first leg to the upside that formed only the first wave on a slightly bigger scale. This is the retracement to the second wave. And I have to say that I nailed this bottom as well, because we had 5-wave structure in our C wave. And from this range we started to form the third wave, and this is only the first wave on the third wave on a greater scale. This means most likely when we will have the retracement of this wave, and to measure this retracement I have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top. And we hit 0.382 range at $3.5, but we might see a lower price action, and definitely we might hit even this yellow line as a support. And if you want to enter the position with this asset, just be cautious and accumulate from the current range all the way down to this yellow line, because in a matter of next several sessions we will see an increase in price of BBIG because of the Cryptide spin-off. And if it happens, definitely you should pay closer attention on May 16th, at least on May 16th, because right after that we will see a huge decrease in its price, because the record date, the real record date, will be 2 days prior May 18th, and it is extremely important. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick